I realized I haven't done a walkthrough on our Black Demon quite a bit. Right, if you saw the most recent post, took out a little ride. This is our Black Demon, guys. Today's a little overcast, not exactly super bright out, but did want to do a little walk around. All right. And everything you see on this bike we've done, except for I did not run the wires on these ape hangers because fuck wiring. But everything else I've done, guys. With the suspension, I also did not do the license plate frame. This is custom made from our boy Danny over at Ratchet Baggers. Thank you, sir. Super dope. So this is our Black Demon Fatboy. I just thought I'd give you guys a look. And since we're talking about helmets, guys, this is the full custom wrap helmet with custom decal work that I've done, matching KPMF and 3M. We went with carbon fiber on the top of this, as well as carbon fiber in the front, right here on the mouthpiece area. All right. So again, we did custom decal of our company logo, as well as our social handle on the side. All right. Again, just give you a nice slow view of our Black Demon. All right, so